Hello. I'm just gonna go straight to showing you how to use this for services. I believe you've seen this already. Once you click on sales, it comes here. So, here you want to pretty much just click on whatever services you provide. So I'm just gonna change this to enter services. And then here, just gonna make sure I change that for you. Service or product type. Then, okay, so let's just go straight to that. I'm gonna hit save. So, once you go here, oh, okay, um, just want to make sure that works. Okay, let's check to make sure this one works too. Okay, so if I go here, now you want to scroll to the far right and list your services. You gave me a couple listing that I'm just going to try to paraphrase. So, for example, I will just say tenants funds. What else did you give me? Property sales. What else? Maybe FX transactions. Just like that. Let's just keep those three. And then, you maybe just want to type in the date, Feb, let's say 20, easy peasy. What service was rendered on that day? Scroll up, let's say tenant funds. You don't have to put quantity because you're providing a service. Maybe it's just one. You really do not care, but you can still type in one if you want, but really just ignore that. What is the cost of this service? You pay salary, right? So you don't pretty much cost per job. So you can leave that as well. And then here you can see where we have total. So total here is meant to be the total cost of the service you provided, but you can leave that as well because it is a service. So I'm just going to type that in for you. Service, okay. Then now total cost of services rendered, right? You pay salary, so ignore that as well. But you can put your selling price, like how much, this is pretty much how much you charge uh, for service or amount charged per service, let's call it that. Service. So let's say here, in this case, you probably charged 50,000. So, okay. Now, let's come back here. Let's see today's date again, Feb 20. You rendered this service, tenant funds. You see, yep, obviously it's 50,000. Just put one because maybe that was all that happened that day. One. And then if you want to put your customer, you can put Femi. And then did they pay cash? No. Let's see, yes. What's going on here? Okay. Then sure this is doing the right thing. So yeah, it's picked up to 50,000. Now, I believe most of your expenses, will be salary. So I've added like a salary tab for you on a pay as you earn template just for free. So basically all you need to do here is to enter the name. Let's say it's Femi, one of your employees, maybe one of the lawyers, maybe it's Access Bank. You're gonna put the account number, whatever that is, and then gross salary. Let's say I earn 120,000 a month. Just punch that in, and then it does all the math for you. So you can do that for every other employee you have, and look at the income statement. It's picked the salary up. Okay, so now you have your sales, you have your salary here. So if it is February, you do the same. If it is the same thing, just copy the data you have here and paste it in February and do the paste. And you copy, Control C, and then you paste, Control V, whichever one works. So there's March, April, everything till December. That helps you to list your salary. Then any other expenses that you have, let's say Feb 20 again, you paid for transportation, I don't know, maybe to Uber, for whatever that is, 10,000. Okay, income statement, I'll also pick that up for you because it's February. Now you can see that so far your profit is 26,000 for February. However, because of the nature of your business, right? You will have to see the total sales at the end of the month to be able to say, okay, this is actually what we made, because once you put in the details of your employees, the salary will pop up here. And if the salary is huge, at the beginning of the month, you'll keep seeing a loss until you've recorded all your sales. So, you see, you don't need to put in cost, a total cost for your own purposes. All you have to do is do as I have done, and then you will be pretty good to go. So if this is helpful, please let me know. I've added, the salary template, so you don't have to bother yourself. Just so you know, a couple of things that happen is, if you have staff loan, if you give your staff loans, you have to enter it here, and then it will do the math and deduct it for you. Pretty much the taxes each person is meant to remit to the government, that is your company's duty. Pension, you can work that out with your pension organization, whichever one you choose, and it pretty much just does the work for you. All you need to enter is this name, bank, account number, and then monthly salary, and it populates everything else for you. So, hopefully this helps and you don't feel that this is just for products. And if you click on this as well, it takes you straight to the P&L. So, okay, thank you. Let me know if this is helpful. I'm going to send this to you now. Thanks and bye.